This video is for SCM administrators. It shows you how to create and customize certificate profiles. The SCM provides a wide variety of certificate templates you can customize to create your own certificate profiles. Depending on the certificate template, you can specify what term options are available, how the certificate can be used, which organizations and/or departments can order, manage, or request it, and if you have a private CA, you can specify whether the trust level of the certificate profile is public or private. On the Settings tab in SCM, click Certificates, which opens the Certificate Profiles subtab by default. If you have not yet configured any certificate profiles, this table will be empty. Click Add. On the Add Certificate Profile window, enter a name, a description, and if you have a private CA, indicate whether the enrolling backend will be the Sectigo Public CA or Sectigo Private CA. Notice this choice also determines whether the trust level is set to public or private. Now select your certificate type. SSL, SMIME or client, and code signing certificates can be edited in the same way. So let's take a quick look using an SSL certificate as an example. Select the certificate template that you want to work from. For some certificates, you can adjust the term options available to include 1 year, 2 years, or both, depending on what is allowed for that certificate type and the contract your organization has signed with Sectigo. Review your selections, and when you are ready, click OK. Your new certificate profile now appears in the table. Note that if you choose to edit a profile in the future, you will only be able to modify the name and the term length if that option was available. Now let's take a quick look at creating a new device certificate. Click Add. After completing the first few fields, select Device Certificate as the certificate type. In the Key Usage section, you can define the cryptographic purposes for which the certificate can be used, such as digital signature or key encipherment. Move the items you want from the available to the assigned list using the arrows or by dragging and dropping. If required, you can also define extended key usage settings by moving options from available to assigned. When you are finished, click OK. By default, all certificate profiles can be ordered and managed by all SCM administrators. Similarly, by default, all certificate profiles can be made available on any self-enrollment form, which is how people without SCM accounts can request certificates. However, if you assign certificate profiles to specific organizations and/or departments, only SCM administrators assigned to those organizations or departments can order and manage them. Similarly, self-enrollment forms created for that specific organization or department can only include eligible certificate profiles. Select the certificate profile you want to work with and then click Delegate. The Mode field indicates how the certificate has been delegated. General is the default, and as mentioned, that means it's available to all SCM administrators, and it's available to be added to any self-enrollment form. To change this, select Customized. Click the plus sign icons to expand the hierarchy of each organization. There's only one in this example. Or simply click Expand All. Select the organizations and/or departments that you want the certificate profile to be available for. When you are done, click OK. For more information about using the SCM, check the Sectigo knowledge base for SCM videos and documentation.